Meet Laundry Legend, driven by our motto, clean clothes and clear minds. We're transforming laundry stress into a seamless, digital delight. Before we dive into the solution, let us introduce the mind behind the project. Laundry Legend was founded by Zanta Gavra Mariam, driven by a passion for using design and research to solve real-world problems faced by students. Today's agenda covers our research setup and key insights, followed by our persona and core problem. We will then present the Laundry Legend solution, our round 2 testing results, and future iterations before concluding with a final summary. Every innovation begins with a spark. Our story starts in the Paumenhof dormitory laundry room, where we identified a significant, weekly struggle for students. There, we met an exhausted student frantically searching for 50-cent coins. He described a coin hunt for change and a basket gamble, lugging laundry down 4 floors only to find all machines full. His frustration proved laundry shouldn't be this hard. This encounter revealed a major friction point in student life, not just one person's bad luck. To see if others face this, we started round 1 research, moving from observations to formal, in-depth interviews. We studied Nuremberg's I Live and Paumenhof residences, interviewing 6 participants aged 22 to 31. We aimed to see if they all faced the same coin hunt and basket gamble we witnessed. After talking to residents, the spark we saw became a clear pattern. Our data revealed 3 major themes, proving the status quo no longer works. The payment barrier is a critical issue, with 5 out of 6 participants frequently struggling to pay for laundry. One student even noted that lack of coins forced a trip to the supermarket just to get change. This coin hunt forces students to waste time on a basic necessity. When asked about missing coins, 3 of our participants delayed laundry, while the other 3 wasted time traveling to shops for change. This proves the coin hunt isn't a minor annoyance, it's a disruption to their entire day. When asked for one change, the answer was clear: over half demanded cashless payment. However, they also wanted intelligence. Participants specifically requested real-time availability to end the basket gamble entirely. These stories revealed coin-only machines cause friction, misinformation wastes energy, and laundry creates stress. We weren't just building an app, we were helping students reclaim their peace of mind. Our research gave us a mountain of data, but to design a truly legendary solution, we had to ground it in a real person. We'd like you to meet our star persona. Meet Maria Mercado, a 23-year-old, busy, working student who perfectly captures our studied demographic. As a digital-first user, she manages her entire life via smartphone, but is constantly hindered by her dormitory's outdated systems. Maria isn't looking for clean clothes just for the sake of it, she's looking for efficiency. Her ultimate goal is to finish laundry without disrupting her workday or her school day. She needs a system that respects her time and allows her to stay productive. Unfortunately, the current reality for Maria is constant frustration. She is stuck dealing with wasted trips to the basement only to find busy machines and the payment friction of hunting for coins. Every failed trip is a setback to her busy schedule. For our project, success is defined by Maria's experience. We know we have succeeded when laundry fits smoothly into her schedule. By solving the coin hunt and the visibility gap, we're giving her back her time and her peace of mind. Now that you've met Maria, let's look at why her current situation is so broken. We're going to walk through a typical laundry day to illustrate our user story and the core problem we are solving. As a busy student, Maria wants to pay digitally and check machine status so she can save time and reduce stress. Currently, she is trapped in a loop of wasted energy. She lugs her heavy laundry down flights of stairs with no guarantee of an open machine, often finding them all in use. It's a physical gamble she takes every single week. This matters because working students like Maria have tight, irregular schedules. Lack of machine visibility disrupts her academic and professional rhythm. Every wasted trip to the basement steals time from her studies and rest, forcing her to adapt to an outdated system. The cumulative effect of this is significant. We found that these small daily frictions accumulate and turn into a source of anxiety. It's a mental load that no student should have to carry on top of their coursework. This brings us to the heart of our mission, moving Maria from the old way to the new way. The old way is a manual, stressful process that wastes time. The new way, our solution, is defined by instant access and full control. By giving Maria the tools to manage laundry from her phone, we are transforming a broken chore into a seamless digital experience. So, how do we take Maria from frustration to freedom? After analyzing the barriers, we've developed a digital bridge between the student and the laundry room. We are proud to introduce Laundry Legend, a concept designed to handle the heavy lifting for Nuremberg students. Our goal was to create an experience as modern and intuitive as the apps Maria uses every day. This is the Laundry Legend website experience, featuring a friendly, bright, and easy-to-navigate interface. To use it, start on the landing page and select your accommodation, such as I live Nuremberg. From the main overview, choose either washers or dryers. If you select washers, you will see an overview of every machine and its status, including if it is available, in use with time remaining, or out of service. Once you select a machine, proceed to the payment screen to choose from options like Card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. After a successful payment, a unique PIN code is generated, which you enter directly into the washing machine to begin your cycle. For dryers, the process is exactly the same. Return to the menu, select dryers, check their real-time status, pick one, complete your payment, and use the generated PIN to start the machine. Laundry Legend makes doing your laundry simple. The Laundry Legend mobile experience has also identical features. With our smart cycle-finished alerts, Maria never has to guess when her laundry is done. Whether she is on her phone or her laptop, she has instant access to manage her time. By centralizing washers and dryers into one digital hub, we've finally eliminated the basket gamble. Once we had our high-fidelity prototype, we moved into a testing the concept phase to ensure our digital solution was intuitive for our digital-first student population. Our Round 2 research focused on quantitative validation. We utilized a structured survey to gather data on the app's value and ease of use, allowing us to measure the success of the concept objectively. To structure our second investigation, we shifted to quantitative research using a detailed survey. We focused on the same 2 Nuremberg student apartments with a sample size of 6 participants, maintaining a balanced 3-to-3 gender split. Targeting ages 23 to 31, we included both working and non-working students to see if Laundry Legend was truly ready for the real world. After collecting our Round 2 survey data, we analyzed the responses to see if Laundry Legend hit the mark. The feedback clearly showed how much students value the digital transformation of their laundry room. We were thrilled that 6 out of 6 respondents immediately identified the website's purpose. They instantly recognized the app's core pillars: cashless payment and real-time machine availability. This confirmed that our user interface is as intuitive as we intended. When asked to choose the most valuable feature, 4 out of 6 respondents prioritized cashless payment, while 2 chose real-time availability. This confirms that the coin hunt is the primary pain point for the majority of users. When asked if they would realistically use Laundry Legend, all 6 respondents gave a unanimous yes. One user even reacted with a simple duh, implying the solution is so necessary and obvious that its absence is surprising. This was a major validation for our concept. Our users helped us look ahead with young and innovative suggestions. When asked what they would improve, they responded with more payment options like Klarna, temperature management controls, and an in-app wallet to top up credits. These insights shape our future roadmap. To measure enthusiasm, we looked at the Net Promoter Score. When asked how likely they were to recommend the app, all 6 participants gave overwhelmingly positive responses. With near-perfect mean and median scores and 0 negative responses, it's clear students aren't just willing to use the app, they want to share it with their friends. In summary, feedback was remarkably consistent, with no conflicting interpretations, no rejection of the idea, and 0 confusion regarding the website's purpose. This total validation gave us the confidence to proceed with our final design and future iterations. Our journey with Laundry Legend is just beginning. By listening to our users in Nuremberg, we have identified a clear path for growth to ensure we don't just solve today's problems, but set a new, evolving standard for student living. Our next iteration focuses on user-requested features, a built-in top-up wallet for one-tap booking, and temperature options for professional-grade control over different fabrics. We will also add advanced time options, 15, 30, or 60 minutes, to provide maximum flexibility for student schedules. As we wrap up today, let's look at the big picture of what we've built. Laundry Legend saves students time and mental energy. By modernizing outdated systems, we replace the coin hunt and basket gamble with digital certainty and peace of mind. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed our vision for the future of student living. See you.